If I'm a professional trader, how am I going to get other people to buy? I'm going to raise price as fast as possible. So what are people thinking? Holy crap, I better buy before the pound gets up to 355. And it retraces down here quickly. Holy crap, I better buy pounds because they're cheap. Why? Anchor. Anchor. Only happens in the sweet spot. That was a lot better than the first one. I'm glad I did that. Thank you, Lord. Okay, Lauren, thanks for being so open and sharing your faith. It's really refreshing. You're welcome. Number 5, thank you for putting together such a great training course. I hope it becomes wildly successful. I'm always appreciative when someone with your skill set is willing to teach the principles to those of us without the benefit of your background. Your marketing is kind of fun too. Well, you know what? There's a lot of clutter out there, folks. So the marketing has got to be fun. It's got to be different. And I believe in the product. The story that I told, I actually got a little bit choked up on the first video. Listen, the reason why I'm dedicated with this is because I think about people like our friend Lisa. She's a single mother. She has 4 beautiful kids, and she tries her dead level best to get ahead. She tries different businesses. She tries to make different things work. And sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. I would say that most of the time, it's not because of anything she's doing, it's because the information she's getting is not complete. That's why I get so passionate about this stuff. That's why I put out so many videos. Because of people like Lisa. Because I know there are people who are listening to this video right now who are trying to do the same exact thing. They've tried time after time after time to get something to work. And it hasn't happened yet. Getting choked up again. And I don't want that to happen. When I stand before my God and I have to explain what I did with the talents that He gave me, I don't want to be the guy that hid his talents in the ground. So I want to do my best and I want to leave everything on the table, is what I'm saying. So, I just thought of something else, the reason why I had these lines on here. This actually, I'm kind of backing up a few questions here, okay? So this is going back to question number 3. And also a little bit into the first question. So last night I talked about selling here, buying in this area here. This would be, for the 20 pips worth of profit. I actually, on my autopilot trade, I did not set the stop to move down. So rather than getting out at break even, I actually took the full stop up here. So my profit was about $100. Okay, on one mini lot, that's what it would have been, was $100. Or I'm sorry, on one regular lot, $100. Okay. So let's talk about in terms of planning. Okay. The question number 2 was, man, how do I get this in my schedule? Well, okay. If the market's going to move down, then you know what? It's probably going to hit your profit target. Let me back up. If the market is going to trend, and it's going to get moving, okay? Remember I was talking about the market coming way down here. Because if it broke, we have a little bit of consolidation in this area here, but not a lot, and it's a fairly big range. In other words, you don't see areas like this in here. Okay, what do you see in here?